Good day everyone, Ryan here. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the new DJI Mini 5 Pro. I recently purchased this drone and let's see what's in the box. Alright, so here is the box for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Right away you can see the drone featured on the box along with the controller. DJI usually keeps their packaging really clean and simple. Alright, let's open up and see what we get. First look, what's inside the box. Everything is packaged really neat as expected from DJI. I should also note that this is the Fly More combo that comes with the extra batteries, or the extended batteries for extra flight time. First we have the controller. This feels really solid. DJI controllers are usually very comfortable to use and the layout is simple and easy to understand. Here we have the batteries. These are the extra life batteries, I would say. It should give me more flight time. Now here we have the drone itself. This is the DJI Mini 5 Pro. First impression, it's super compact, lightweight, the design looks really clean. And the camera gimbal system looks impressive for such a small drone. Take a look at this camera right here. This is going to be the main thing a lot of people care about, especially if you are using the drone for photography or video. The gimbal is what keeps your footage smooth and stable while flying. Here we have the RC2 controller. Very solid build quality as expected from DJI. Feels very premium. Here we have the battery. So this is the drone itself. It's super lightweight and compact. I've never owned one of this series from DJI. I have flown their previous Phantom 4 or Phantom series models. I've never flown any of the Mavics or anything between this and my previous Phantom 4. So this is going to be new. So with these new mini compact drones, you fold the legs out. Before I didn't have to do that, but I did have to attach propellers on the Phantom I had before. These ones, these are already attached, and all you have to do is just fold out the arms. That's amazing. Now let's see what else comes in the box. Here we have extra propellers. This is a charging cable. Here you have some super nice ND filters that came with this. Normally you have to buy these. That's great. Nice little DJI sticker package. That's it for the unboxing of the DJI Mini 5 Pro.